into a big back loop to a front loop, then I flip into a lunar orbit, into a split wheel. I couldn't quite get it going. I'm putting my top flip part in. Nice work, buddy. Alright, Dan, let's give somebody else a turn there, buddy. Take a trick and then move on. Let's get everybody a turn. Alright, EJ, let's see your big trick. Eric Jackson, four-time world champion. Try to win that $100. Looks like a lunar orbit to a back loop. That's going to do it. Alright, that's pretty good. EJ's in second so far. Who's next? Alright, we got Nick Troutman. Nick, you saw that loop without the paddle. That looked pretty good. Gonna start off with a nasty to flush. Moving squarely in third so far. Alrighty, Nick, let's move on. Adam, okay, the format here is one trick and move on so you can get everybody a turn here. Here's Adam Chappell. Bam, huge loop, follow, link to a McNasty, link to a Onyx, almost. He's in the mix. He's in the mix. Next up, Stephen Wright. His first ride in the big trick contest. Looking for a McNasty, clean McNasty to a lunar orbit to a split wheel, this tricky wheel. Oh, that was outstanding. Holy cow, nice work, Stephen. Alright, Dane back in, currently first place. Looks like a orbit to something. Who can get that going? Oh, flying keyman, sweet. Watch that bottom, guys. EJ coming back up. Second ride, digging in for a lunar orbit to a back loop to the front loop. And that'll do it. Very nice, CJ. I think CJ might have just put it up. Nick Troutman comes in again. Digging in, huge air loop, link to orbit, link to start initiating cartwheel, link to a split wheel, link to a cartwheel, link to a split wheel. Holy cow, that was quite a trick right there. Nick, you just moved up, buddy. That's going to be hard to beat. Adam Chappell back in. Let's see what Adam can do. Starts off a beautiful loop, clean loop, link to a McNasty, linking that to a Phonics. Can't get the Phonics to go. Nice